How to fix Intune Company Portal app not working. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Go there, type in the app name Intune and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, open this option iPhone Storage. In this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Get towards the app Intune. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, you'll need to click on this option of Delete app. Click on Delete. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Intune Company Portal. Once app appears, install it. By following all these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Intune Company Portal app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.